All right, what's good, everyone? Welcome back to it. It's the Omni Soweto Derby. I think Mangenza, so you know what it means. You know what it means. Orlando Pirates have been knocked out of the CAF Champions League. But last night they came back and said, Bafita Kfan, it's pushes figure semi-final. Yeah, calling knockout and beat a team that knocked us out last season. And then you come back, you look at they played Bona. They went as far as beating EAS Simba 3-1. They're in the they're in the group stages of ECAF Confederations Cup. Shout out to Amakosi. They haven't been there in a very long time. To further discuss these things or these topics here with me, I have Osfisemi and Unsunda, and I've got Tuso Palaza, Mr. Tanko, Mahotman.
We have to use it, Pagania.
I'm
not, my feet. Country right. Country right.
Country right.
Yeah. Pirates have moved on in the cup. Chiefs are in the group stages. Country right. Sundowns group stages. Yonke into sharp.
Yeah, no, yonke into sharp. Okay, asqalen la ke vandag. Coach Owadu, Orlando Pirates play St. Eloi Lupopo of DRC at the Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates lost 3-0 in DRC, so they had to come back, score 3 goals, take it to penalties, or score 4 goals in order for them to win. Coach Owadu experimenta lapaya. It's such a crucial game. We experimenta, plays no strikers, midfielder, he got the goals, but some people are saying that maybe if he had played Mabasa and Mahuba, Orlando Pirates could have gotten more goals. Tuso, does Orlando Pirates' exit from the CAF Champions League mean Owadu has failed?
No, it doesn't mean it's failed, man. It became difficult from being 3 goals down from the first round, from the first leg. So coming back, but let's give him credit. Like his method worked. They got the 3 goals with those midfielders. Because clearly, if you're a coach and you don't play with the out and out number 9, it means there's no crosses. Ne? You keep the ball and you try to walk it in. And that's what I think he planned. And it worked. They got the 3 goals because he knew that team, how deep they were going to sit. And they are very strong, like aerially. They are bullies. It's about bully and Donata ground. I was very upset by that. Even that, especially that right back. That wasn't going to happen in our era. He's pulling the young boys there at our home ground. But that's how physical they are. So going there without a number 9, it's ball players and walk it in, and it worked. I think it worked. How he played worked. They got the 3 goals that they needed, and they were just unfortunate in the penalties.
Sfiso, did it work? Or maybe if Nagin said it right, he could have scored more goals. Think about it. Mabas has played at that level. Evidence Mahup has played at that level. So we're talking experience. These guys made it as far as the semi-finals. CAF. When you don't start them, you play players just so laling CAF. Nemta Jela it's CAF. Yanelambutuma it's CAF. Tsebang Muremi it's CAF. All the players that have played CAF and that have played for Bafana and played well were all on the bench, including Kosnati Spisi. So did the plan work for you?
Yeah, for me it worked. I'll say it because of we got the goals that we wanted. Maybe if not let's say but now for now playing I Spanish because of Chekoba Tuso Archo. That team is strong. Maybe we treat it Kenya Mahopa Itloba Betley. So what you but in the same players that you are mentioning, like Nemtenjela, he scored. I understand. I could have loved to see Mbata there, because it gives you that edge. But badly it's fit, and I think the plan of the coach worked because they got 3 goals. Lenam Butuma got a goal. I understand. So it worked. It's just that it was unfortunately back towards the goal every 3 late. Yeah. You understand. But if the game could have went on for much longer, I think never reached before. But whatever penalty.
Went longer, it was 90 minutes.
Longer,
how many minutes?
You understand? So, but for me, the plan worked because of it got him the goals that he wanted, which is 3 goals. But if the plan did not work, what different story. But now it worked for me, and I think the coach went to show the players know and whatever obvious. Orlando lately it's machitana tsebo ga tlamile ba push.
Bazamile
bona, but I think a win, making it to the group stages is what mattered most. But as you guys are saying, Bazamile.
And problem kore ba chilwa ke re utlile batho ba rata go dlala ka rona. Pirates is the first team. You win a game.
Yes.
You draw a game.
Ijiyo. Same day, zenzeke zonke. But man, Coach Owadu has this thing, yokuthanda experiment in crucial games. And I'm caused that idea. Every game we experiment. We even saw last night against Magesi, a different team. This Saturday against Mamelodi Sundowns, another crucial game. It's going to be a different team. Go DRC, it was a different team. And then in Orlando against St. Eloi Lipopo, a different team. During the week against Polokwane City, a different team. Kanti lama team, change my team, because clearly this thing, affect. Somewhere, somehow, it's going to come back to haunt him because these players now don't know. I'm a combination. Okay, today I'm playing 6-6. Umbule, Unduli. Next week Kimbata. Next week Dancing. Next week Nemtajela. Next week Tito Lalada. Next week Kimbule. What's a halang like Coach? All right.
Yeah, no, well, change. It's really confusing. But enough for for him, it's working. The thing is, it's working. Pirates won convincing, Moban. Well, my case were poor. Yeah, Kef. Well, yeah, that's another story. I think maybe a Champions League was maybe not his mandate because of when he arrived to Pirates. I don't know. Maybe that was not his mandate. Then I made it go challenge a league. Maybe I'm not sure of his mandate. Go Pirates go win everything.
But Kef is not his mandate.
Yeah, well, I don't think he took it serious, man. Because of like the team that played the first league, and they were from qualifying for the World Cup with most of the players, right? So and right? So obviously maybe the excitement or qualify for a World Cup. So this game never being serious. Let me change and bring other players who wanna play. Until that time it didn't work. First league, second league he tries his strategy as a no striker. He gets the 3 goals. Works, right? Uta go couple go change it works, right? So what are the results or what a team won? Which one do you want? You take the results or you take a standard team that's always there, that's consistent and no results? Or the chopping and changing and the results?
Sfiso, before you jump in, when you played for Orlando Pirates, you've played all of these competitions at Bonkaton. You've won the treble, Orlando Pirates. You had a solid squad. First lineup, no, first lineup I'm there. Kidlala li owner, kidlala li Daintley, kidlala with these guys. Coach na change fella one ali injured or other players would come in as subs. When a new player comes to Orlando Pirates at that time, not say well no kikas vele ki fit like a bench man kapamang. I have to earn my place. Now comes Coach Owadu. Different era, of course, different players. He had to change everything. He inherited a team that made it to the semi-finals, Yakef, a team that was number 2, a team that won the MTN 8, made it to the finals, Star Nedbank Cup, a team sharp that was knocked out by Mike Casey, but almost came back to cover 3 goals. So that team was solid. He inherited a solid team. You know, if you change everything, in fact, when I did not say them Spanella or what?
No, them Spanella. But Naki, Aki Rati. Even if I'm Spanella, because of it changes too much, and they know you have to have a solid team. Yes, we want results, but he's getting results. But now he's changing every weekend. What change? Every game, Diamond, what change? You like Mawani Lina. I was surprised. Marakiateva or change. Moto never maybe okay. Mbogas is there. Our China is there. Baonka Bonaba safe.
Yeah.
The rest, Ngarabayo safe. So, but as Tuso is saying, it's working. So, Linnakili fan ki span.
Hey, which one do
but
you
that's a
want?
span. Rahutla. But Donachi span. Let's say he was doing that and he is not getting results. But we can like Kersapil as a totally results. Chopper change. Kenyan players is 7. Zedicha. But now it's different because we like one. So Akala introduce about Anyan. But as a player, it's not make sure. So he middling Kasantam like Mutomung.
But
Konum passa the way passa to Sogating. Wabona Lena say change a style of play sack. Understand? So I just think and I had to speak about it. He needs to find team.
A winning team, yeah.
Yeah, whoever wants to come in, utla show was part. Because of right now, at the same time, it can kill the players. because of what change akere. So le nna like tsebo this week ake iqale ke Spani haholo maybe or I'm not doing well ke iqala next week ke tseba to change. So I must fight for that position. Okay, thuso ke o wadlala. Tlamele ke etse ke Spani or ke montshe da teaming. Wabo ke tlo thola chance yaka. Not hore thuso wadlala this week.
Next week o thola chance anyway.
After mo ke tswile thuso wadlala wa bona ile jwalo the competition I say look selling 2 hours we all relaxed. But the thing is
it's wiki.
But he's getting the results. Yokuphela into ebalekile. Uthola ama results mara until nini? Until that one day Melathatili ki Sundowns ithi sila, then we're going to come back and say that coach, were you really supposed to change the squad? But as sicela nisitshele nina botsibinki nabonolwazi, let us know. What do you guys think? Is Coach Owadu doing a good job? Should he keep implementing his changes or should he just find a team and say nas man squad sami ngidlale ngaso ngibe mnandi? It's unfortunate Orlando Pirates iphumile but kunama rumor ku social media ngekho sho ukuthi ngathi kune appeal nyana lapha maybe bangazithola sebaphakathi inside so amakhosi angashesha ajabule. Remember ngizulu bathi ningakhohlwa ngesuthu lesikalibala. This show is brought to you by Africa Picks. For the best betting odds, visit their website. Hambi oba check lapha and remember mawubetcha. Not because le idlalwa la. Danko is thank you cereal is breakfast and it's ready for you to eat. Mawungakadli.